Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable Eye Comfort Shield in Samsung phone. So go to the settings first, and there you will find display. And the moment we click on display, scroll down, and you will find Eye Comfort Shield. It is on. However, you need to click on this Eye Comfort Shield, and there you can set the schedule, and you can also adjust the color temperature. You can also enhance the comfort, adjust color tones and contrast for more comfortable viewing at night. So you can try that. For me, it is working fine. You can use the slide to check the color temperature and whatever works for you, you can select that. You can also choose the adaptive, which will automatically adjust the screen for you. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.